Welcome back to Mystical Fishing. Today we're going to go over the top 5 best summer/spring baits. Let's get into it. First, I have this, I don't know, it's an XTM, I don't know what this is. A Whopper Plopper. That's what I'm talking about. Whopper Ploppers are great for summer/spring. Top waters, can't go wrong with it. Have a lot of movement. Number 1. Number 2 is actually a Whopper Plopper. Well, a popper. You can use any type of popper, but in short, poppers work great for spring/summer fishing, and I'd recommend. Number 3 I recommend would be some sort of crankbait or jerkbait. This kind of looks like a jerkbait. I think it's some sort of crankbait. I don't know. Kind of sounds like a crankbait. Anyways, crankbaits. Crankbaits or jerkbaits, same thing. Work really well. Can't go wrong. As well as lipless crankbaits. You cannot go wrong with that. Number 4 is soft plastic things like worms. So you can use any type of worm. They work great, and I would recommend using this for spring and fall. Number 5 is actually probably a little bit surprising, but I would recommend using swim baits. Now, you're probably wondering, why swim baits? Out of all types of bait you can get, just why swim baits? Well, what happens is this swim bait, they just take it as a bait fish, and well, bass love to eat bait fish, so then while it is swimming like this, and then while it's doing that, bass are getting attracted to it, and you're getting munches on your lure. That's the top 5 spring/summer baits. Please like and subscribe and ring that notification bell, and come back for more. Bye!